Well, I've typed it all out on that video. I mean, on
Okay,
the ticket as well.
Okay. But you did mention also about this this piece right here is plastic and it's slightly bent.
Yes. So the actual metal chain ring is bent. So when you spin it, if you look right here, you can see how it's bent.
Yeah.
I can't bend it anyway because it's plastic.
Yeah.
All right here. So luckily this is holding it, but this needs to be warranted or replaced.
Okay.
This crank assembly right here needs to be replaced. Back here, this part right here was stripped. The freewheel was stripped onto the free hub body.
Yeah.
So I was able to tap that and fix it.
I guess that's the cost of the shorter chain. I think that they've been shipping this bike with a shorter
chain.
And
Yes.
they reshipped it to me they shipped me a longer chain later.
Yes.
But
Got it.
I guess that should be. And then what's on this side?
Okay, so this side here, the cable is too close. If you look right here, the cable is too close to the rotor, but I was able to put the spacers on this side, moving this over just enough, and then also keeping the rotor from rubbing the caliper. I ran this outside so it wouldn't cut because it was too close to this.
I see. Can I put like a cable tie, another cable tie here or something?
I'll get that on there.
Okay,
Yep.
Awesome.